Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ekoreka. Please, if you're new to my channel, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be notified. This is the sewing part of reversible jackets. So this one is the wrong side. This is interfacing, light interfacing. You can use interfacing of your choice, but light one, the soft one. This is one side of the front one. This is the neckline, and this is the side, and this is the lower part. And this one is the other side of the front one. Interfacing, and the lower part. And this one is the back side. The neckline, and the lower side. So, and this one is the other side of it. So now I'm going to join the shoulder. This is right side of the fabric, and this one is this is right side, right side. I'll pin the shoulder. I'll use 1/2 inch to join the shoulder. And this one is the other side of the front one. Right side, right side. I'll pin it. So I'll use 1/2 inch to join it. I'll do the same on this one. I've joined the shoulder. I also did the same on this one. So I'll press this seam. I will open it and press it. So now I'm going to shape the two sides, the side. So here you remember we'll have I have 1 inch seam allowance. So here I'll mark 1 inch on this chest line here. Waistline I marked 1 inch. On the hip line I marked 1 inch. On the lower side I marked 1 inch. Then I connected it. So I'm going to sew on this line to the end. I will do the same on this side and also on this one. I'm going to sew the sleeve. So the sleeve length is 10 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance, 11 inches. So it's 11 inches. 1/2 inch on this side and 1/2 inch on this side. But this fabrics was supposed to be by 45, but it's by 44. That's why I got this here. But this will be my seam allowance. It will be inside. So I'll fold it like this. This is the right side. I'll fold it like this. I'll put 1/2 of my round sleeve here. Yeah, this line is 1/2 of my round sleeve, which is my round sleeve is 15. 15 divided by 2 is 7. 7.5. So this is 7.5. And on this side, I'll put 1/2 of my round armhole here. So my round armhole is 18 divided by 2 is 9. So this is 9 inches here, and 1 inch seam allowance. 1 inch seam allowance. From this 7.5, 1/2 of my round sleeve, I'll connect it to this point, 1/2 of my round armhole. So I'll just sew it like this. I'll do the same on this one. So I've shaped the two sides. I also iron it. I press it open. Remember, it's 1 inch from this edge to here, 1 inch to the end. So you can pin your own if you want. So but I've done it. I also did the same on this side. I pressed it also. And also on this one. So what I'm going to do now is to fix the sleeve. I will turn it like this. This is the sleeve. I also iron the sleeve. I press the sleeve. So I'll turn it. So this is the right side, and This is armhole, and this one is the right side. But the sleeve, let me check, because there's one that will be on. This is the front side of the sleeve. It will be like this. No, this sleeve will be on this side. This is the front side. So I'll pin it like this. Right side, right side. I'll pin it like this. The both seam are open. You see, I'll turn it like this. So I'll go and sew the sleeve. I'll do the same on this side and also on this one. I've joined the sleeve. So this is what we have now. And also this one, the sleeve. So what I'll do now, the right side, this is the right side, and this one is the wrong side. And the right side is inside. So this one, this is the right side. This is the right side. I'll put it like this. The right side, I'll put it inside this one. On this side, I also do the same. So right side, right side. Right side, right side. So what I'll do now is I'll hold it like this. I'll use 1/2 inch to sew it from this line, the two, up to here, the neckline. These two seams, you put them together. Or if you want, you sew your neckline first. After sewing the neckline, then you sew this line. So the shoulder seam, you put them together, the other shoulder seam together, you sew it, so the neckline till this end. I'll do it and show you. I've joined the two jackets together like this. If you want, you will join the two jackets on the neckline first. After that, you will join this side, the two together, on this side also, the two together. So what I'm going to do now is to notch the neckline. After that, I'll now do the sleeve. Not very close to your seam. I'm going to sew the sleeve. So I will turn it from the lower part. The lower part is still open. So this sleeve, I'll put it inside this one. This is the right side of the fabric, so I'll put it inside like this. I'll pin it. This side also, I'll put it inside this one, this sleeve. I'll pin it. So I'm going to get it from the lower part here. It's still open. Okay. So I'll remove this pin. So This is the seam, and this one is the seam also. So I'm going to sew it like this. So I'll open this one like this, open this one like this. I'll sew them together like this. So I'll open this seam here, also this one. I'll put them together. I'll pin it round. So I'll use 1/2 inch to join it round. I'll do the same on this one. So this one, I'll bring this one out. I'll hold it. This is the other sleeve. So this and this, because I'm going to sew it like this. After sewing it, these two will be like this. So I'll fold it. I'll open the seam. Okay, the side seam and the side seam on this one, I'll put them like this. So, because I'll hold it like this because I'm going to sew it round. So I'll sew it round with 1/2 inch. So I've joined the two sleeves together like this. I sew it round, the two together. So the next thing I will do now is to close the lower part to sew it, but I will leave 5 to 6 inches space where I'll bring the jacket out. But I want to show you the sleeve first. Okay, when I finish, I'll press it, all this edge, I'll give it a good press. Okay, see the sleeve, I've joined it, so I'll give it a good press when I finish. So now I'll turn it again because I want to sew the lower part. I'll turn it to do the lower part. So this is the lower part. I'll join it and leave like 6 or 5 inches space. Maybe I'll join it from here to here, from this point to this point, or from here to certain point, leave the space, so where you can bring the jacket out. I'll go and do it now and show you. Okay, see the lower part, I've joined them together here. I left space here so that I'll bring the jacket out from here. So when you're joining, you can see this is size same and this is size same. You match them together, they will align. And this side also size same, size same. So I'm going to bring it out from this space now. So I'll bring all this edge out. I'll give it good ironing. After that, I will use needle and thread, machine thread, to close that 6 inches space here. So I will give it a good press first. This is the jacket. I gave it a quick ironing. I might iron it again, but it's nice. I'll turn this one. So I still have this space here. I will use needle and machine thread. This is the lower part. This is the 6 inches space. I will use needle and machine thread to close it. You see? I will use needle to sew it. Tiny, very tiny. So now I'm going to put it on the mannequin to show you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.